Hey, hi friends, welcome back once again to my channel. So friends, today in this video we're watching the beautiful wall sticker designs. These are all the latest designs. Nowadays the wall stickers have become more popular to decorate your walls. Like in this video you can see there are the beautiful designs are available. These are all the most popular and trending designs. Wall stickers not only make your wall beautiful look, but it has some several advantages for home decor. Like it is easy to apply. Wall stickers are simple to apply with no need for additional tools or professional help. Most are peel and stick, allowing for quick and mess free installation. Another advantage is it is cost effective compared to other forms of wall decor such as paint or wallpaper. Wall stickers are generally more affordable. They provide a quick way to refresh a space without a significant investment. Another advantage is it is available in a wide range of designs. Like in this video you can see with different colors and size. Wall stickers can cater to various taste and themes. So whether you prefer minimalist patterns or bold, vibrant graphics, there's something for everyone, and it is temporary and reusable. Many wall stickers are removable and reusable, making them ideal for re-entrants or those who like to frequently change their decor. They can be repositioned without damaging the walls. Another advantages of customizable. Some companies offer custom wall stickers allowing you to create personalized designs such as names, codes or unique patterns that suit your specific space. And it is very low maintenance. Wall stickers are easy to clean with a simple wipe, making them a low maintenance decor option. And the most important thing is that it is does not damage our walls. Since they are designed to be removable, wall stickers usually don't damage the walls, unlike nails or screws, so used for hanging traditional decor. They offer a fun and creative way to express your personal style, allowing you to change the look of a room instantly. So these benefits make wall stickers a popular choice for both contemporary and long-term decorative solutions. Stickers are great for adding creative and personalized accents. You can easily add themes in your different rooms as per your choice. Like in this video there you can see there are the beautiful flower designs, and most of the designs are with flowers. Inspirational quotes in the office or even used in the office, or artistic design in the living room. Cheapers are usually a cheaper option than wallpaper, making them an ideal choice for those on a tight budget. And it also looks the beautiful walls. They also do not require surface preparation, painting, etc. Wall stickers we can permanently cover up the picture holes or stains on the wall. It is a quick solution but not a temporary one, especially if choose a good quality stickers, because the materials is extremely strong and the adhesive tools holds on the wall. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because in this channel you will get the latest and beautiful interior design tips and ideas. So if you like my video then please like and share this video. Thank you so much.